Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to download HP Officejet Pro 3620. So guys, open any browser and in Google search box type okay, first link to right click to new tab. Choose your operating system if you have a Windows 11 and this is all are available, so you do have Linux and you can change it. Okay, then click to update. Scroll down. This is full software with the drivers. This is basic drivers. You don't need to software, so download this one. Okay, this is diagnostics tool. So okay, so I recommend you install with software. Download this one, click to download. Now this is installing. Wait few minutes. Then guys, double click to launch. Yes, continue. Next, check the agreements. Then next. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Now this is driver installing. 5 step to complete, so please wait. And then you connect to with USB to your desktop. Okay, with printer. Then we'll complete your all process. Then restart your computer. Okay, thank you.